Here's Magenta Plant, the plant with the secret. You can grow it in your garden if you live in a temperate climate. It's a very attractive little plant. It has magenta coloured flowers, and of course it has the Magenta Plant secret. So I'll show you how to propagate it if you'd like to grow some yourself. Lovely green leaves. And here's the beautiful Magenta Plant extract that comes from those green leaves. It's really quite easy to grow Magenta Plant from a cutting. So I've taken some cuttings and I'm just going to remove the lower leaves. Leave the upper leaves on and just pop them in a container of clear water. I'm just going to let them sit near a window in a nice sunny position, and over time they will grow little roots, and when the roots are long enough you can pot them, put them in a pot, and I need to break that, and after they've grown healthily in a pot for a while, got big, you can then plant them in the ground. If you live in a climate that is nice for them. Here's the jar with some water in it. Now, if you live in a climate that's really a bit too cold, colder than temperate, then you could either keep them in a hothouse if you've got a hothouse, or you could grow them in a sunny courtyard with a lot of brickwork and masonry around, or you could possibly grow them inside, but I'm not sure. I haven't tried that yet. Anyway, that's the Magenta Plant, and there are cuttings ready to make new Magenta plants. These cuttings have been in water for only about a week, and already they're starting to grow roots. If you look carefully, you can see one here. Are you lucky enough to have access to a willow tree? Willow tree wood contains natural hormones that can be used to increase the strike rate of cuttings that you're trying to propagate. You can make willow water by simply cutting up young twigs of willow and adding them to the water. Willow's natural plant hormones will leach out of the willow wood and encourage root growth. About 10 days later, look how long the roots have grown. And here's a couple of cuttings planted in pots and sitting by the window growing. All in all, it took about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks.